guys, welcome back to All About Sha. Thank you so much for viewing. Today's resort review will be on the Royalton CHIC Suites located in Cancun, Mexico. Let's go ahead and get started. I had so much fun at this resort. If you haven't by now, go ahead and hit the iCard for part 1 and part 2 of my Cancun shenanigans. So on our stay at the Royalton, we purchased the anniversary package, which included door decor, a flower arrangement, breakfast in bed, and dinner on the beach for 2. And at check-in, you get a wristband, which is like a key card. It provides door access to your room. Please remember not to lose it because there is a $200 replacement fee. Now a little bit about this room. It includes a butler, which hence the reason there is a phone near the toilet. Our room was called the Diamond Club Luxury Junior Suite, which includes an ocean view. It has a nice size walk-in shower, his and her sinks right outside of the shower, a closet with a safe that you're able to use at your disposal, of course. There is a flat screen TV with cable and Bluetooth capability, as well as a king-size bed, and then a little let-out couch with a small study area nearby, and this leads out to the balcony. Now, one thing about this resort, if you're planning to visit this resort, it only makes sense to get an oceanfront view room because, I mean, the views of the ocean from this hotel is beyond amazing. I'm telling you, the video is not doing it justice. It's a view that is unforgettable. All right, full disclosure. Now, we picked the Diamond Club because we assumed that all of the amenities, like the drinks that you're looking at now, the higher class drinks, would be free, things of that nature, but they were not. This is a nice hotel, it really is, but everything is an upcharge, whether you're a regular person or a Diamond Club member. It really doesn't matter. So if it was me, again, sis, I would go ahead and save my coins and get a regular room because you're really not getting anything extra with being a Diamond Club member.